Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. Hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week in Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading. I have sent out a video explaining all of these reading strategies, so make sure you give that a watch to help you. But the ones I want you to use are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Ted, t-e-d. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Ted, t-e-d. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to read this week is called A Home for Ted. Girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. A Home for Ted. In this story we have Cat and Ted. Cat made a home of sand. It fell down. Cat made a home of sticks. It fell down. Cat made a home of card. It fell down. Cat made a home of bricks. It stayed up. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, don't forget you can listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the audio play button where they will read it to you. This week on Oxford Owl we are going to be doing another word search. So to access your word search you just need to click the link that I will give you in your portfolio, and when you click the link it will bring you to this page. To see the word search you need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you need to press start again, and you have all of these words down the side and you need to find them in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun.